In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Taxedo, which is a word cloud bit of software you can find on the internet that allows you to gather important words that you've been exploring. So in this case, words you've been exploring about imagination, and you can bring them together as a word cloud in a number of different shapes and different colors. And it's a great little activity that you can use with students in your school, in your classroom, in your educational setting. So you need to go to Taxedo, which is www.taxedo.com, and that's spelled T-A-G-X-E-D-O. And what you need to have ready is a body of text. So in this case, I've just got some text that I wrote for my thesis, and it may just be, you don't have to have sort of coherent paragraphs. You can have a list of words if you like. So this task is about developing a tuxedo around your words for imagination. So a list of words would be absolutely fine here. When you're on the Taxedo homepage, you'll need to go to Create. So you've got the four orange buttons. Click on Create. At this point, it might ask you to download a bit of software called Silverlight, and Silverlight allows you really to use this kind of Web 2 technology that you find on the web. I recommend download Silverlight, so you'll need to go to Google and search for it. It's a very quick download, it's very easy, and it's free. Once you've downloaded Silverlight, you can then return to Taxedo and start developing your own image. Okay, so what I'm going to do is in my Word document, I'm going to copy the text that I want. So this will be the text that you use, either your list of words about imagination, or maybe a small bit of writing that you've written about imagination. And once you've copied that text and you're back at the Taxedo homepage, just underneath in the top left-hand corner where it says Load, just click on Load. And this is where you can add your text. So where it says Enter Text, just here, I'm going to paste my text in there, and then I'm going to click Submit. And you'll notice at the bottom the green bar runs across, and then once it's done, I'm going to just click on the cross, which you can see I'm running my mouse over it now. Click on the cross to remove that dialog box, and you'll see that the words that you have selected have formed around the default shape, which in this case is South America. Now, I encourage you to then go in and change some of the other aspects of it, including the shape and the color and the font. So underneath Options, if you click on the arrow next to Shape, it'll bring up a whole range of shapes, and then you can actually scroll up and down using this bar on the right hand side. And I am going to select, let's have a look, I'm going to select the hand. So you select the shape that you like, and again the green bar runs across, and then I'm going to cross out of this particular section, and you'll see that the hand shape has replaced the South America shape, and the words from the text that I had pasted in fill in the shape of the hand. Now I actually want to change the font on this, so you'll see under where it says Respins, I can select the font. So I'm going to click on the arrow again, and this time I'm going to select Headline 1. And once that is finished running across, I'm going to cross out of that, and you'll see that the font has changed on the hand. I'm also going to change the color. Now, to change the color, you actually go to Theme rather than color. So click on the arrow next to Theme, and you have a whole range of color combinations that you can choose from. And I'm going to choose Ocean 5. And I'm quite happy with that. So I'm now happy with my Taxedo image, and I want to save that so that I can publish it on our EDFD460 Google Drive. So once I'm ready to do that, under Taxedo, you'll see it says Save and Share. I'm going to click that, and it gives you a number of options for the size of image that you want to save. I'm going to go for the 4MP, 4 megapixels. And you can either have a JPEG image or a PNG image. I'm going to go for JPEG. and then it asks me to save that in a particular area. Now, I'm a Mac user, so it gives me this particular kind of window. If you're a PC user, it'll have a slightly different dialog box. But I'm going to go to the area where I save all my images for EDFT460. And I'm going to call this one Adam Tech Zido 2, because I've already done one today. And then I'm going to click Save. And that image has now been saved onto my filing system on my desktop, or rather in my Dropbox account. And in the next video tutorial, I'll show you how to publish that to the EDFT460 Google Drive.